Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to send emails through your Cortex website. The first thing you're actually going to want to do is log into the backend administration area of your website and click the Marketing Suite button. And as you can see, we've brought to the actual Marketing Suite dashboard. And you'll see here there's the campaigns area and the email designer. We're going to kind of bounce back and forth between these two areas a lot within this tutorial. So let's go ahead and start off by looking at the campaigns and actually creating a new online campaign, and then we'll select email. As you can see here within the system, Cortex has two different types of emails. There's one-time and there's automatic. One-time emails are great for newsletters, email blasts that you're sending to all of your email newsletter subscribers and whatnot. The automatic email is actually used very well within the system for things like abandoned cart or whether they purchase. Automatic emails are sent out when a trigger happens. And a trigger is an action that a user takes within your website. So for instance, the triggers that we have available within Cortex right now are purchase, email sign up, registration, abandoned cart, leave site, and a few more here. Now as soon as the user actually performs one of these triggered actions, this email will be sent if they meet the rules associated with the rest of the email logic here that we'll go through. So go ahead and let's try out sending an automatic email here. Well, we're going to call this the purchase email, and let's go ahead and actually we're going to come over here to the email designer first, and we're going to create a new email template. And let's do this special deal template, and we're going to call this the purchase. Let's do the dynamic purchase promo. That's perfect. And we're going to go, hey, after they make a purchase, let's market them a particular product. Hey, order quick for free shipping. That'll be our actual subject for this particular email. We're going to include the unsubscribe link at the bottom, and we're also going to allow tracking within this email. We're going to come down to the email here, and we're going to actually set up free shipping, but we're only going to give them about 3 hours to do the free shipping. I'll explain why in just a few minutes here. Now, within the next 3 hours and receive free shipping for the items below. And what we're going to do here is you can see there's a tag right here, a Cortex tag that says promo code, and we're going to actually create a dynamic promo code for this email. And we're also going to say, hey, we're going to give the Cortex suggested product free shipping. So the way to do that is to say Cortex _ suggested _ product _ small _ image _ 1 as a token within this area. And if you're actually good at HTML, you can come over here to the source, and you can see right here this is actually linked to the Cortex suggested product 1 URL. It has the product small image, and also the name of the product here, Cortex suggested product name 1, is also linked to that URL for that particular item. So we're going to actually create that link, and this is going to be just a test, and we're going to send this out to we're going to build this to send out to our users dynamically and automatically. We're going to need this tracking token right in here, and also allow users to unsubscribe. Let's go ahead and hit save for this particular item. Bounce back to the campaigns area. Let's do, this is our new purchase email, and we're going to say, hey, this is an email. We're going to send it automatically. We're going to send our dynamic purchase promo. We're going to say when they purchase, and we're going to execute it immediately after they purchase. And what reward do they get? So let's come down here. Let's make sure that they get their free shipping. And we're going to say that this campaign cannot be combined. And then, like I said before in the email, we're going to need to generate a dynamic promo code for this particular email campaign. Once you've done that, you do not have to fill in this promo code item. It will automatically generate a dynamic promo code. And then as you can see here, now, how long until you want the dynamic promo code to expire? We're going to say, let's do it in 3 hours, just like we said in our email. We'll come in and fill costs later, and we're going to send this out. We're going to start this campaign yesterday, and we're going to run it for the entire month of March. We're going to say, hey, this campaign is actually going to go to everyone. We have some other options within here. Hey, if their churn status is good, or if they've already purchased, those type of things. So let's go everyone. And the limit, we're going to set it to 1. So if this person purchases and they get this email, they will never get this particular email again because we've limited it to 1. And as it says right here, setting this value to 0 will make it unlimited. So every time they'll purchase, they'll get this email. So once we've done that, let's hit save. Now let's run through a quick example here of what that email will look like when the customer purchases. So for instance, let's say they come over here and they purchase this Galen Echo necklace. The thing that's going to happen is they're going to get an email that looks just like this. Obviously it's a little different because we just set our other email up, but this is an example of what that email should look like. Order within the next 3 hours and receive free items for the shipping for the items below. And here's our dynamic promo code, and here is our Cortex suggested product. Now what happened was Cortex was smart enough to go out and find the matching earrings for this exact necklace. So because Cortex knows that it purchased that necklace, it says, hey, also purchase these earrings with it. This is the most recommended product that goes with those earrings. Now, one of the cool things about this system is that if they do and they go in and order these earrings within the next 3 hours, they'll get free shipping if they put in the promo code, but also the Cortex order management system will know that this particular item is packaged with the first order of the Galen Echo necklace here. So you will never have that you won't have that situation where you're shipping 2 different boxes for 2 different orders. It's going to package them together and say, hey, take a look at this other order so that you and make sure that you're putting them in the same package because it's going to the same address, it's going to the same person. So that's one of the cool features of Cortex. So feel free to play around with that and create new dynamic orders and all sorts of cool stuff. The one powerful thing within that email designer is those tags that we showed you earlier, these Cortex suggested products, because Cortex is smart enough to know when this email is going out. So for instance, let's say they add, let's say they come over here to the campaign area, and instead of having our triggered action be purchase, let's say the triggered action was abandoning the cart and you wanted to give them free shipping after they abandon the cart. This email will actually probably have this necklace in it or another item within your cart, or maybe some other item that Cortex thinks is best suited to help coax this person into ordering. But whatever it is, that little token that you see is very, very powerful because it'll really make sure that the email is tailored to that exact customer in that exact context. So it's really, really powerful stuff. The other thing that you can do is you can also jump over here and click one-time email, and instead of sending out automatically, this will create a one-time email blast. And again, you have a lot of the free stuff. You can set out discounts. You can ignore discounts. You don't have to have discounts because you're just sending out an email blast. You're just trying to do some advertising, whatever it may be. And then you come down here and we'll go all newsletter subscribers. That's what we really recommend, because if you do it to everyone, you're going to get big time spam markdowns, and we will have to actually limit your account on spamming if you're spamming too much. So go ahead and always make sure you're just sending newsletter blasts out to all your just your newsletter subscribers. Go ahead and hit save, and you can see right here, even if you keep this same email template with those particular let's come over here, those particular tokens right in here. Again, Cortex knows what's best recommended for this particular customer, and it also knows this is a one-time email blast, so it's going to send out a product that you probably don't even know is relevant to this user, but it knows that this user might be interested in this particular product. So again, Cortex and this email designer and these suggested products are extremely powerful. Now you can also add another one here by going and changing up to 2. And 2. And 2. And now you'll see you'll have a small image for that second product. You'll have 2 products in here now. And Cortex again will know which products to put in here, and you'll have to go into the HTML to make sure that the actual links for this 2 has been changed in this as well, which they haven't. But again, this is just the power of the Cortex system. This number goes all the way up to, I believe, 10 right now, so you can send up to 10 Cortex suggested products in an email. And again, it's personalized, and this is the type of stuff that's really powerful within the Cortex system. So that concludes our overview of the email system within Cortex. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us, support@cortexcommerce.com. Thank you.